Indonesia. Why, and why? Always have plenty of problems, issues, poverty, economic instability, corruption, and clashes here and there. So, how is the completion of all that? From where to where, and from whom to whom? Then, who is actually responsible for all those matters? Is it the government that is not professional and at all, or people who do not follow government's regulations and their own way? Of Indonesia is a rich country, rich in everything in it, until a log will grow into trees that say.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Inna fi yadis subbani amrul ummah wa fi iqdamiha hayataha. Indeed, in the hand of youth, the future of ummah, and in their legs, life of the people. Man lam yakum bi adai wajibihi nahwa watonihi wa dinihi hadaron minal mauti wa ta'bi li ayya isya li annal mauta atin labuda minhu walakinna nafsa asyarifata la tamutu. He who does not fulfill his responsibility toward nation and religion because of tired or scared of death, then he has not right to life, because death will come, but no noble soul will not die. A young man is investing nation, progress and development of the nation in the future is in the hand of the youth, as they have strong soul, inflamed spirit, and a clear brain. So, young people, fight the facing your aims and will this nation to be completely independent. Not only independent from the invaders, but independent from the ignorance and poverty, are also independent in moral.
The youth generation is the hope of nation who will carry out the struggle for the sake of brighter future of the country, who will be leaders for the next. Today is young, tomorrow will be leader. The youth have the force that never become weak quickly. So give me 10 youth will shake the world. Okay, for our journal this week, we are going to reach about the term Indonesia Incorporated. and here we will collect the news about Indonesia's problems.
Almost in every media publication talk about corruption, drug trafficking, and rape case.
Okay, after we manage to make this journal, what do we do next? We know a lot of the nation problems. Will we just keep quiet and just write journal?
No. After we collect the news, we know and understand the search of all problems, and we will find a way how to fix it after discussing it later.
As we know, Reog is Indonesian tradition. It's from Ponorogo City. And in this week, there is the news in Malaysia have copied this Indonesian tradition, like his tradition. Last week, at 27 July 2013, our reporter find him attend the agenda by Saudi Arab dance.
Your Honor, to defendant incident, some corruption cases are handled by about logistic funds that is the application are out of calculation.
I'm sorry, Madam. That's the protocol. A concrete evidence of embezzlement of this fund. And if it does not exist, my clan was not convicted of corruption.
Well, it is tried the judge all to find it not guilty of the embezzlement of board of logistic fund. So the trial for this day is closed. Put your hands up. You all arrested for the drugs user.
Okay, each of us has succeeded to collect news of Indonesian matters problem. Now, we will try to discuss it together to find way out of all this problem.
The first issue is about corruption. Indonesia protects the most corruption case in the world.
Let's observe together what the cause of it and where do this corruption.
So, someone did the corruption because of one, he has the opportunity to do it. Two, his friends support every participate in it. Three, look down and with success.
So, the way to solve it is 1. First, those who work in the government should not have the chance to do corruption. Greatly, the state financial circulation should not pass him. Second, creating an environment that was free from acts of corruption. And the third, the security force must reinforce the law on corruption.
Then, how about narcotics and fighting between students?
Let's go we restore the memory, education, and socialism in school as well as in this community. Thus, to matter this problem by making the people understand the importance of the problem their footprint.
Then, for prostitutes, robbery and death, the solution is to stabilize economy in general population.
Then, the conflict between Indonesia and Malaysia. Being observed, it was merely misunderstanding. That because of some of Indonesian people who have been living there for a very long time, and they miss the Indonesia culture, but the journalists do not broadcast it clearly.
Okay, after we find the solution of the matters and how we can make it happen,
The time being we can only discuss it together, but a few years after this, especially after we get a good position in the government and society, we'll meet again and make it happen together. Years after we split up and now we meet again. Now the right time for us to build the country together, the Indonesian state, the place where we were born and where we were grown up.